Today's tutorial will cover the following commands: line, ortho mode, erase, and undo. Let's start by learning the line command. Type line in the command bar to activate it. The command will prompt you to specify the first point. You can press the Tab key to switch input fields and enter X, Y coordinates. For now, simply click anywhere on the screen to choose a starting point. After clicking, you can enter a length value and use the Tab key to specify the angle. I will draw a line without entering specific values to demonstrate how the line command works. Once you've finished drawing, press Enter to complete the command. When creating precise drawings, it's important to draw horizontal and vertical lines. Click the ortho mode icon at the bottom right corner to toggle it on or off. Let's use this feature to draw a square with each side measuring 100 units. Click to specify the first point, then move your cursor in the desired direction, and enter 100 for the length. Move the cursor in the desired direction, and enter 100 to complete the square. Now that we've drawn a square, let's learn how to select objects before using the erase command. There are several ways to select objects. The first is to simply click on the object directly. The second method is dragging. If you drag from left to right, a blue box appears, and only objects fully enclosed in the box will be selected. If you drag from right to left, a green box appears, and all objects that touch the selection area will be selected. Let's now use the erase command to delete objects using these selection methods. You can usually press the delete key on your keyboard or type erase in the command bar. If you accidentally delete the wrong object, you can restore it using the undo command.